In every corner of the world, from the smallest village to the largest city, one universal language speaks to the human soul. This language, transcending barriers of culture and time, is music. Today we embark on an exploration of the neuroscience of music, a journey into how our brains process these enchanting sounds, the profound effects music has on our emotions, and why it holds such a powerful place in human culture. Music, in its many forms, resonates deeply within us all. But have you ever wondered why a simple melody can make us feel so happy, or a moving symphony can bring us to tears? The answer lies within the intricate workings of our brains. When we hear music, sound waves travel through the air, entering our ears and setting off a fascinating chain of events. These waves reach the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. The vibrations then move through tiny bones in the middle ear, eventually reaching the cochlea, a spiral-shaped organ filled with fluid. Here, the vibrations are transformed into electrical signals. Within the cochlea, specialized hair cells detect these vibrations and convert them into electrical signals that travel along the auditory nerve to the brain. These signals then reach the auditory cortex, a region in the brain responsible for processing sound. Here, the brain deciphers the signals, distinguishing different pitches, rhythms, and melodies. But the journey doesn't end there. Music activates multiple regions of the brain, including areas involved in memory, emotion, and even movement. Music has a unique ability to evoke powerful emotions. This is because it taps into the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for our emotional responses. Key players in this system are the amygdala and hippocampus. The amygdala processes the emotional content of music, while the hippocampus is involved in forming and retrieving memories associated with those emotions. This is why a particular song can instantly transport us back to a specific moment in time, evoking memories and emotions as vivid as if they happened yesterday. It's also why certain melodies can make us feel joyous, melancholic, or even nostalgic. Music is a powerful trigger for our deepest emotions. But music doesn't just stir our emotions. It also activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This release of dopamine is similar to the pleasure we experience from food, social interactions, or other enjoyable activities. It's what makes us feel good when we listen to our favorite tunes. This explains why music is such an integral part of human life. It brings us joy, motivates us, and can even help alleviate pain and stress. Have you ever felt the irresistible urge to tap your feet or dance when you hear a catchy tune? This connection between music and movement is deeply rooted in our brains. When we listen to music, areas of the brain responsible for movement, such as the motor cortex and basal ganglia, become activated. This is why music can make us want to move, dance, and even improve our coordination. This connection is so strong that music is often used in therapeutic settings to help people with movement disorders, such as Parkinson's disease. Music is a universal aspect of human culture, found in every society throughout history. It is a language that transcends words, uniting people across continents and generations. From the earliest flutes carved from bone to the sophisticated digital synthesizers of today, music has evolved alongside humanity. Yet, its fundamental power to move us remains unchanged. Music serves many roles in society, from ceremonial and religious functions to entertainment and social bonding. It is a vital thread woven into the fabric of human life. Learning to play an instrument or sing involves remarkable coordination and skill. It engages multiple areas of the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities and even reshaping brain structure. Musical training strengthens connections between brain regions, improving skills such as memory, attention, and spatial temporal reasoning. This is why children who learn music often excel in other academic areas. Music training is like a workout for the brain, enhancing its overall function and capacity. The healing power of music is well documented. Music therapy is used to help patients with a variety of conditions, from reducing anxiety and pain, to aiding in the recovery of speech and motor skills after a stroke. Music therapy works by engaging the brain's emotional, cognitive, and motor systems, promoting overall well-being and recovery. This remarkable therapeutic potential underscores the profound impact music has on our minds and bodies. So why do we love music so much? It is a combination of its ability to evoke emotion, its power to bring pleasure, and its capacity to connect us to others. Music engages the brain's emotional centers, taps into the reward system, and activates areas involved in social connection. This trifecta makes music an incredibly enriching experience. Music's ability to bring people together and create shared experiences is a testament to its universal appeal. It is a reminder of our common humanity. As our understanding of the brain deepens, so too does our appreciation of music's complexity and power. Advances in neuroscience continue to reveal new insights into how and why music affects us so profoundly. With cutting-edge technology such as brain imaging and artificial intelligence, we are uncovering the secrets of music's impact on the brain, paving the way for new therapeutic applications and enhancing our musical experiences. The future of music and neuroscience holds exciting possibilities, from personalized music therapy to immersive virtual reality concerts, expanding the ways we experience and benefit from music. Music, a timeless gift, continues to inspire, heal, and connect us. Its magic lies not just in its melodies and rhythms, but in the profound ways it touches our hearts and minds. As we listen to the enchanting sounds that resonate within us, we are reminded of the beauty and mystery of the human brain, a wondrous organ capable of creating and appreciating the universal language of music. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the neuroscience of music. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. Share your favorite musical moments with us in the comments below. Farewell for now.